Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Emirates application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the Travel Essentials section, click on the Contact Us button. And as you can see, if you scroll down, there are a lot of ways that you can contact them. So you can start a live chat. You can call them in this number, but you can also find email topics that you can send, and there's a whole different section for the complaints and feedbacks as well. So there are many options you can reach for help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.